Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to show you the August 2021 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is our smaller monthly kit and includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, embellishments, and patterned paper, and you will receive inspiration from our design team. So you'll have access to 2 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that are designed by our design team. They give you cutting and assembly instructions along with a full color photograph so you can create their projects right along with them. You'll also find lots of inspiration on the Facebook group and the blog. Be sure to hop over there and join in on some of the challenges. So this month our 2 collections are Reminisce, Be Kind, which is a beautiful collection about just being kind, and we definitely need more of that in today's world. So I love the beautiful colors. We're going to look at that in a little bit. And then Craft and Create from Cartabella. So this is all about all types of crafting, not just scrapbooking, but sewing, knitting, painting, they have included everything. A really fun collection. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive this month. The first collection we're going to take a look at is Craft and Create from Cartabella. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Storm cardstock, a sheet of moss, and then your 3 pattern papers are these, a large floral with little blue polka dots throughout. It's just a beautiful paper. And a tone-on-tone green on the back. This is called So Lovely Floral. Then we have a smaller floral print. And the back is a navy blue with white polka dot. This one is called Crafting Floral. And I would love to have a lot of sheets of that pattern paper. Then we have this plaid that has all of the different colors from this collection. So you see the pink and the coral red, a light green and a darker green, this beautiful butter yellow, aqua. So just some gorgeous colors in this collection. The back are all of the little scissors and the handles. Again, you're going to see all of the different colors. This paper is called Maker's Plaid. So one more look at your pattern paper. So you can see you could document anything, any photos with this paper. Just the scissors are really the only thing that is specific to crafting. But of course, I know we all have lots of photos to document about our crafts. For the embellishments, you're going to receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. The border strips, we have a floral, and then we have a tape measure in that aqua blue. We have a couple of banners. This one says Pretty, and that one says Create, so that's perfect for titles. We also have some larger words in script, and then tags. Love all of the little bitty tags over here. Some larger icons that are craft specific, so we have sewing machines, a paint palette, the mannequin for sewing, embroidery floss, scissors, pin cushions, everything you need to document being crafty. So that is Craft and Create by Cartabella. Our second collection is Be Kind from Reminisce. So this is a really great collection. I love the message running throughout it in the embellishments and stuff, but I love the colors in this collection. You have this kind of a peachy pink, and then this gold and the light blue, and then this brown color. All of the colors are just so soft and just inviting. And then you have that pop of that dark navy blue and some black. It's just gorgeous. So to start with, you'll receive 2 sheets of craft cardstock, a sheet of stonewash cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Sunshine, which I love this. This is a perfect background paper. You can just put a little photo in one of the 4 quadrants and add some journaling and it could be done. It's just so cute and fun. The back is that golden brown with little white rectangles. So instead of dots, you have little rectangles. So it's just a little bit different. That's fun. This paper, called Be Kind, has the rainbow at the bottom. The back is a stripe. And again, you're going to see all of the colors in this collection. Just gorgeous. And we have this paper here called Choose Happy, which is all of the little clouds and the different prints. This is fun because you could use it in a large strip, or you could fussy cut a few of them for embellishments. Just a really fun paper. The back are raindrops, and again, in all of the different patterns that you're going to find in this paper. Super cute. Each one of these have a full branding strip, so you get a little bit more of that pattern. So that is your patterned paper. Your embellishments are the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have several borders down here, and I love that because I love working with borders. So we have a pink, the black and white, that golden, this kind of navy blue. Kind of looks like the little lines of a road. We have polka dots, and then the gold and the pink in that same design, and then a striped with all the different colors. Lots of rainbows to embellish with, and then lots of subtitles or titles. Train your mind to see the good in everything. Inspire, throw kindness around like confetti. Yay. Be a nice human. Hello, sunshine. It's cool to be kind. So I am really in love with this collection. I hope you enjoy it too. One more look at your double shot kit for August. Be sure to check out the Flavors of the Month kit, which has 4 brand new collections, along with the mini add-ons. We have a card kit, a Shots of Life, which is a Project Life geared kit that can be used for travelers' notebooks. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.